Hey everybody, Michael the Tutor 16 here. Today I'm going to be doing tutorial number 10 in Windows 10. And the topics for discussion in this tutorial will be that I'm going to show you how to personalize your desktop. And this is part 6 in the recent series. The advantages of personalizing your desktop will be that this will give your desktop view in Windows 10 a personal touch, and you can make it your own. So let's go into Windows 10 and I'm going to show you how to personalize your desktop. As you can see, I've gone into Windows 10, and today I'm going to show you how to customize or personalize your desktop. Anywhere within your desktop, right-click one time and go down and select Personalize. A list of options will come up on the left. In tutorial number 5, I showed you how to change the background image for your desktop. In tutorial number 6, I showed you how to change the colors for your icons in your start screen. In tutorial number 7, I showed you how to change the graphic image or picture for your lock screen. In tutorial 8, we discussed the different themes that are available for us to use within the Windows 10 operating system, and I also showed you how to download new themes from the Microsoft website. In tutorial number 9, we discussed changing the start screen, and in today's tutorial, which is number 6 in the series, we're going to be discussing changing the taskbar. My taskbar is located on the bottom, and the taskbar is used so that you can pin different applications that you use on a frequent basis. Instead of having to go through the start screen, I've pinned all of the applications that I use on a day-to-day basis. We're going to go through a list of some of these options, but some of the options we won't go through because they probably will not apply to your computer. The first option is locking the taskbar. I like to lock the taskbar so that it's always visible and in the same location on my screen. The next option is automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. I have this option turned off because if I turned it on, my taskbar would disappear from the screen. And if I wanted to see the taskbar, I would have to move my mouse down to the bottom of the screen. If I move my mouse back up to the desktop, the taskbar will disappear. So I always leave this option off because I do not want it to hide the taskbar. I want the taskbar to always be visible. The next option is automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode. I don't use tablet mode, so I always leave this option off. If you use tablet mode, you can turn this on, or you can use it any way you would like to best suit your needs. The next option says use small taskbar buttons. My taskbar buttons are large because they're a little bit easier to see. If I turn this to on, you'll see that the taskbar buttons are smaller in size, which may come in handy, especially if you're running out of room on your taskbar. But I've already pinned most of the applications that I use on a daily basis, so I'm going to turn this back to off so that my icons are a little bit bigger and a little bit easier to see. The last option that I want to show you is where the taskbar is located on your screen. Right now mine's on the bottom, but if I click on it, or if I click on the drop-down arrow next to it, you'll see the options of left, top, right, and bottom. If I wanted to move my taskbar to the top, I would just highlight and choose top, and you can see now my taskbar is on the top of my screen. I like it on the bottom because it's just easier for me to view on the bottom, and it allows me to open my programs up here in the main part of my screen without anything on the top, which may cover up some of the function buttons in the program that I'm using. All of these other options you can play around with to see which one best suits your needs. But this is how you customize or personalize your desktop in the Windows 10 operating system with regards to your taskbar. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button located at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you have a great day and thank you for watching.